Good afternoon, Mr. Senthil. Welcome to the 9th edition of IHA. So how's your day going? How was your panel discussion? Any key takeaways you want to share with us?
I think it was going all good actually. I would say the panel was very insightful, trying to be here in the panel with all my peer colleagues, I would say, from Accord, from Abroy and Vietnam. I think it was a quite insightful session. I'm enjoying the day.
Okay. Yeah. You work with the architectural aspect of it in the hospitality industry, and hospitality comes with a lot of tangents of guest experience. So how do you strike that balance between experience and the technicality of architecture that comes?
See, how it really works over is, I take care of all the new hotels coming up for Hilton in South Asia region actually, that covers India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. So our prime job is to make sure that whatever we build, that's been in line with the brand standards or the end users. That's what we're really looking for actually. So our job is primarily try to meet the vision what we have along with the ownership, try to give the right product to the market so that it performs very well, so that we benefit as well as the owners. So that's what our primary role over here is.
Okay. And any challenges that you face while pursuing this?
See, challenges, there are challenges everywhere, but the thing is you have to overcome those challenges accordingly and do the right balance, and end of the day, you need to get the right product to the market, It might be in terms of architecture as well as the efficiency, the right operations. So I think you need to take the right balance between the ownership and the performance, then all it will be good okay there.
There's been a lot of talks in the hospitality industry about wellness, digital detox and everything. Do you see your role evolving according to it?
Definitely, if you really see the current trend in the hospitality industry, people are tending towards more of a wellness aspect. Sustainability too. Definitely sustainability comes as a byproduct of the wellness. It depends upon the kind of material what we use and the kind of focus what we really indulge in. But for Hilton, we want to go a little bit more mile over and above the stay what we're looking for. We want to focus on the experience of the guest rooms. So that really comes with a lot of other aspects, which is plan the room in a right manner so that when the guest is in the room can experience the right sleep. So you have a good night's sleep, then the whole day is going to be more beneficial. So that's what we focus a lot on the design, so that we can able to give the right experience to the guest to have a great night's sleep.
And if I ask you, beyond comfortable beds and good lighting, what is comfort for Hilton? Can you say?
See, there are a couple of other aspects over here, starting from when a guest comes into a room, what they really expect is the right temperature of the room, which can be easily controlled without any fuzz. So we use a technology called guest room management system, which we really mandate from our brand standard perspective, which is you come in, you don't need a key card. There will be occupancy sensors in the room that senses the guest in the room, and the light comes on and the air conditioning will come on. Then according to the need of the guest, you can try to manage the temperature. The moment it goes out of the room, what happens, all the light goes out and the temperature goes to 27 from a sustainability point of view. So the really good thing about this, when the guest comes back again into the room, it will go back to the setting what the guest already set over there. For example, if I'm set 18, it goes back to the set again 18. So that's what really we want to give the right experience to the guest.
So
we achieve this one.
What I understand is you're talking about tech integration and sustainability efforts.
Definitely.
So what other plans do you have in both the aspects, whether it's tech or sustainability?
See, there are a lot of, we in fact have our Hilton Honors app, which is before you get into any hotel check-in, you can try to open an app, you can book the room in the app. Either it might be away from the elevators or higher floors, you can book everything. So once you get into the hotel, you don't want to go to the front desk. You can just straight away walk into the room because you have a digital key integrated into the, so you don't need a physical card. We have a digital key also. Along with the app, you can go to the room, open your guest room with the mobile phone, get into the room.
What trends do you foresee upcoming in the architectural perspective of the hospitality industry?
See, there are various trends, depends upon the kind of hotels and its positioning. So what we're really looking for is I think a minimalistic design, which is what we see. These days, guests want a room which is more minimalistic and more functional aspect rather than cluttering the room with more furniture in the room. So we focus a bit more on that nature, keep the room simple, clean, neat, functional and more experiential rather than fill the room with more materials. So that's what we're really focusing, and that's the trend currently, I would say.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Thank you.